What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on AAPL ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you why this stock is one of the best stocks during the potential upcoming recession. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, this asset is consistently growing, and since 2019, since the end basically of 2018, it surged up for more than 429%. And from its recent dip from the end of March 2020, when the pandemic hit, it surged up for more than 239%. And I have to say that this asset is quite technical, and the latest wave right here clearly have a 5-wave structure. Let me mark it for you. This was the first wave, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And it doesn't violate any Elliott wave theory rule, and it is exactly as in a textbook. We didn't overlap the fourth wave on the territory of the first one. And let me measure the lengths of the waves. If I compare the length of the first wave and project it from the bottom of the second wave, as you can see, we have 1.618 extension in the third wave, exactly as in a textbook, and 2.618 extension in the fifth wave. So we completed all 5 waves in the latest wave, and the only concern is that is it the end in fifth wave for the entire movement, or it is an internal wave that might lead to higher price targets. And I will show you my view on this stock in the technical analysis. And for now, let's continue with its fundamentals. We all know that they just posted their earnings report several days ago. So on January 27th, they said Apple today announced financial results for its fiscal 2022 first quarter ended December 25, 2021. The company posted an all-time revenue record of $123.9 billion, up 11% year over year, and quarterly earnings per diluted share of $2.1. The quarter's record results were made possibly by our most innovative lineup of products and services ever, said Tim Cook, Apple's CEO. We are gratified to see the response from customers around the world at a time when staying connected has never been more important. We are doing all we can to help build a better world, making progress toward our goal of becoming carbon neutral across our supply chain and products by 2030, and pushing forward with our work in education and racial equity and justice. And I have to say that right after their earnings report, a lot of companies increase their price targets. Let me show you that on Seeking Alpha alone, we have a lot of news with a lot of excitement related to this company. And we have several of them that increase their price targets. And let me show you, for example, right here, from $185 to $190. And it was Raymond James analyst Chris Castle. On top of that, Morgan Stanley also increased their price target to $210. And the previous price target was $200. And let me show you in general that this company has 29 ratings. 24 of them suggest to buy, 5 suggest to hold, and 0 to sell. And the lowest price target is $161, average price target is $192.18, and the highest price target is $215. And to average price, it has an upside potential of almost 13%. And definitely this movement to the upside from its lowest points for, let me show you, from the low to this high of about 10%, 9.5%, is very meaningful for the company, because right here it has a lot of volume, a lot of buying pressure, and definitely it might be a next move to the upside, and it might be a next new uptrend. On top of that, let me show you the list of their institutional investors We have a lot of investors, and some of them just opened new position for more than $1.4 billion. And as you can see, we don't have red rows, we have a bunch of green ones. This means a lot of interest is still in play from institutional investors to this company. And basically I have the same sentiment, and moreover, I think the companies like Apple are the safest companies during the upcoming recession, potential recession that we might see later on this year. But we also have to keep in mind some negative news, and we have to know all the opinions related to this company. So right here on Seeking Alpha, we have this article that was published on January 28th, and that's titled Apple, COVID boom ultimately ends in tears. And the summary is: Apple reported another magical quarter with big revenue and earnings per share beats. The company is guiding to further growth deceleration in March quarter. The stock is priced for perfection at 28x forward EPS targets, while growth is headed towards stall speeds. And I have to say it is quite interesting article, and I partially agree with several statements of them, but I have to say that all of the companies for now, right after the pandemic relief, will be hit by the Federal Reserve and its increase in interest rates. But the more stable the company is, the less pain you will feel with your investment portfolio. And that's why I think it is one of the companies that you should put at least into your watch list. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? As you can see, we have this movement to the upside right after this dip, and let me show you that. Let me measure first of all the retracement. And I don't need this tool for now. And to measure this entire wave, I have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this very bottom to this top. And as you can see, we hit 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. And from this range, we have a bounce. And I have to say that this movement to the downside from its all-time high is about 15.7%. And it is quite good retracement for this particular wave. But on the other hand, my concern is that we might have the entire wave from this bottom to this top finished with this very price target. And in this case, this retracement is extremely shallow, and we cannot rely on this retracement in order to have a new long position with this asset. But I don't think that it is most probable outcome. Definitely, we have more chances to have a slight bounce to the downside and have a retracement from this bottom to this top, and this retracement might be at the following levels at about $164.31, $162.48, or about $160.16, the golden pocket. And from these ranges, if we will have this reversal, we will have a trend continuation, and in this case we will pretty much confirm that this is the medium-term bottom for this company, and we might hit at least $182 price point. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys until next time. Bye!